Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
if you see now Terraform, right? To
Visual
install the
Mm.
Terraform. Okay, we install the Terraform. How we can identify?
Mm.
So we need to
Mm.
this one we need to change it. Change it to git bash.
Okay.
How did that old one? So
Mm-hmm.
here Terraform
Mm-hmm.
hyphen version.
Okay.
See Terraform is there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now how Terraform will connect
Mm-hmm.
our
Mm-hmm.
laptop to AWS means we need
Mm-hmm.
to install the AWS CLI as well. Okay. After installing
Okay.
AWS CLI, we need to run the
Mm-hmm.
we need to configure the access key secret key of
Okay.
the
Mm-hmm.
AWS account.
Okay.
Okay. How can this one?
Mm-hmm.
If you go to settings,
Mm-hmm.
here security credentials,
Okay.
here you can generate the keys. Create
Okay.
access
Mm-hmm.
key,
Mm-hmm.
create, create.
Yeah.
This is the keys. Okay.
Uh-huh. Access key and secret key.
We can download it localizer. So how we can add it now? We need to install the AWS CLI as well. After that AWS
Okay.
configure.
Mm-hmm.
If you okay enter now, it will ask
Okay.
access key, it will ask.
Mm-hmm.
See
Got it.
asking. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I entered the previously I configured. That's what it is showing my previous key. Now if I
Okay.
enter now, it will replace.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See now come. I added the
Yeah,
access
yeah.
key.
Secret key. Yeah, yeah. Got
Now we
it.
need to add the secret.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now default you can
EGM,
keep it
like,
default.
okay.
Default this is also default JSON.
Mm. Okay.
Even you don't type it JSON also it will take by default JSON only.
JSON. Okay.
Now our laptop is integrated with the AWS.
Database. In the sense, it got connected, right? From
Yes.
our
How we can check it
local.
now? Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say I run the command to
Mm-hmm.
check the how many users are there. Yes. I think two
Mm-hmm.
days back I asked you right to give the credentials. So that time I created the one user in Jenkins
Uh-huh.
user
Okay. Mm-hmm.
in our account.
Okay.
IAM is the global, not
You.
region level.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it will show how many users are there. It will show. For now, in our account,
Okay.
we have a one user
No,
Jenkins. If you want to, can
Jenkins.
check it in.
Okay.
So we are able to see the connectivity
Mm.
our laptop to our AWS account.
Okay.
See Jenkins user.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 3 days ago. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Mhm.
Now it is
So
working
ID.
fine.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need to run the Terraform. So first we will try to create a EC2 instance. If you want to
Instance.
create a
Okay.
EC2 instance,
Mhm.
so now we can go to official document Terraform.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can search the
Mm.
AWS provider.
Okay.
What is the provider means? Uh, which cloud you want to create a resources.
Okay.
Hmm?
Got it. Yeah. Either they will select AWS or Azure.
Hmm.
Which cloud platform? we require, based on that we'll select
Hmm.
it. There is some hashing of document as well, right? For
The basic document only.
yeah.
Okay, AWS provider. This is the
uh, code
AWS
script.
provider.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we need to add. You can add it any name, but normally we will as a provider.tf. You can add any name, it will work.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
To identification purpose, they will use
Yeah. Mm.
provider.tf only.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
in that provider.tf we added. See,
Mm.
region, which region you want, you can add it. Okay,
Uh-huh.
this is the Terraform version. Less than greater
Okay.
than or equal to 6. Okay, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, AWS ASIC graph. Now,
Okay.
this is the way. So, Terraform required version AWS resources. So, this one we take the from latest one from official document. So, if you see, this is the official
Okay.
document. Terraform
Okay.
registry.io.
Okay.
Huh? We take
Mm-hmm.
this one.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
and
Mm.
this is the why we took this one. This is the latest one we took from the
So
official
version.
document version.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
ASIC graph AWS version. Okay,
Okay.
here provider AWS region,
AWS and region. Mm-hmm.
which region you want to create resources, you need to specify region. So what is our region? So by default region we are
Mumbai, I
using
guess.
the
Mumbai.
Mumbai we are using.
Mm.
So now we can
Mm.
go to Mumbai region. Now go to
Mm.
EC2
Yeah.
AP South something,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
right? Mumbai,
80 minus south. Yeah.
AP South
Mhm.
1.
One. Mm.
That's what we need to mention here.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Okay,
Yes.
now this one completed. Okay, but
Okay.
this
Mm-hmm.
one as well, if you want to pass as a variable, now can
Okay.
create the variables.tf.
Okay. Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
in this variables.tf variable,
Okay.
this is the syntax variable. You can give
Uh,
any variable name. So
okay.
region
Mm.
name, you can give any name. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
region name default, region name type,
Mm-hmm.
type is equal to string.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and default is equal to name, which is the name this one.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah, we can write in same script also, right? Or just for understanding purpose.
Yes, same. What's the script?
In provider, we can
Oh,
call
we
out
can.
this variable.
No, we
Ah,
can call it. We can call it. That's what I am adding. So, we can call it direct add code value as a no issue.
okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
But what I am trying now, I am trying to
Mm-hmm.
add the as a variable. You can copy
Okay.
this one instead
Mm-hmm.
of directly add coding now. You can add
Uh-huh.
like this,
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Got it. Mm.
like this.
This as well. Mm-hmm.
Where that region name, variable name.
Region name. Uh-huh. We are
Okay.
just calling out that variable here. That's it, right?
So how can create variables now? We need to create a
Mm-hmm.
variables.tf. This is the standard name we need to follow.
Okay.
After that variable name, any name
Region
can
name.
give. Type
Mm-hmm.
is a string. Why you give a string? This is the string.
String. Okay.
Hmm. Default. If the number is means you can give number.
Numbers. Okay.
Hmm. The boolean means boolean can give true false. The
Okay.
type data type, right? Do you know, right? Data type.
Uh-huh. Data type. Okay.
This variable is type is the string. That's what we given the
String.
type string.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it right.
Yeah, yeah. Understood.
Now first we need to run the Terraform init to install the
Mm-hmm.
plugins about the
Yeah, yeah.
providers.
providers. Okay.
Hmm. Terraform
In it.
in it. Where we need to run? Where is our code? That place we need to
Code.
run.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It will install the plugins. See,
Uh-huh.
if you observe now, it will
Mm-hmm.
show
Got
some
it.
files
Mm-hmm.
related to plugins, related to
Mm-hmm.
AWS and Terraform.
Okay.
It will install the plugins too, analyzing the providers. Okay, finishing to
Okay.
ACCraft, installing the ACCraft
Mm.
AWS plugins. Mainly, it will install the
Uh-huh.
plugins.
Plugins.
Okay, now
Hmm.
Terraform init completed. It is installed the
Uh-huh.
related to
Plugins.
plugin. See,
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Hmm.
Now we need to run the Terraform validator.
Mm-hmm.
Validate means
We are validating those plugins.
not plugins. It will validate
Okay.
our code, whatever you return.
Okay.
This code, this code, this code.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The if you return correct now, it will also validate success. See,
Okay. Okay. If there is any error in
syntax
that
error,
code,
it will throw error.
mm, okay.
Now we need to run the Terraform plan.
Okay.
So, but as of now, we are not added any resources set. Only we added the
Region.
aid
Only
provider. So
region.
we need to add the
Got it.
resources EC2. So
Mm-hmm.
search it
Mm-hmm.
as Google search it
Mm-hmm.
how to create EC2 instance with Terraform. Okay, take official one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the simple one.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we can take this one. Now we can add the
Another
EC2.tf.
two instance. Okay.
So what here we need to add the AMI.
Okay. The one which in our EC2 instance AMI which will
Not
be there, that
in
we have.
our region in AWS
Okay.
account. If you go to
Okay.
EC2
Mhm.
instances, okay,
There
if you
we'll
go
get
to LANs
AMI.
now,
Mm-hmm.
here it will show, right? If
Got it.
you
Yeah.
select AWS one, AWS na, see this is the AMI.
AMI. Okay.
That it.
Yeah.
This one we need to take. This will change
Okay.
based on the region as well. But our region is Mumbai, so that's what I am
Mm-hmm.
trying to create a Amazon EC2.
Okay.
Amazon EC2. If you create a Mac, it will say another one. If you install Ubuntu, it will change the AMI.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm using the
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
AWS. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it right. What is the
Got it.
what is required? What is the purpose of this one? Means
Mm-hmm.
in server. Do you
Mm-hmm.
remember while purchasing laptop, they will install the
Mm-hmm.
operating system, right? Windows operating system.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like
Correct. Yeah.
that, in Linux,
Mm-hmm.
this is the image they added the operating system. While creating
Okay.
server, it will
Mm-hmm.
install this operating system.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
by default, ready-madely they have the operating system. That is the reason while creating we need
Mm-hmm.
this AMI while creating manually as
Okay.
well.
That is nothing but Amazon machine image. This one
Amazon
AMI.
is an operating system.
Stuff. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Linux operating system for the
Okay.
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
And this is the which type you want to create. So
Got it.
what is the instance type? For now can can check it.
Change there.
T3
If we
mic
go
is
with the
there or not?
large means we'll give T2 large, whatever.
So I can check it is there or not. Is
Okay.
there? You can keep it
Got
that's
it.
one only because we are not installing anything, right? We are only creating.
Mm.
So you can
Okay.
give server name. Which one you want?
Mm-hmm.
Server name. Name.
Okay. Ha.
This is the tax as well optional. If you want, you can give without the tax as well, it
Okay.
will work.
That's also. Right now we
Okay,
are just giving that
server
machine's
name.
operating system server name.
So you can give any name. Real time they will use as a, what is the purpose of they will use the
Okay.
application name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. So this will create the EC2 instance. But we took
Okay.
the default one. But if you check
Mm-hmm.
official one, we have so many resources. See now if you
Okay.
come to if you want to
Mm-hmm.
create now, so see
Okay. Mm-hmm.
this is the way you can create it. But we took mandatory fields only. By other
Mm-hmm.
optionals, it will take the default one.
Okay. Okay. Got
Other
it. Huh.
so here
Mm-hmm.
we can if you want to create entire as a custom EC2 instance, we need to provide this much of things.
Okay. Got it.
But what I am trying now, I need EC2 instance. Take the required one mandatory these two.
Okay.
Okay, this is the name. You
Right.
can give any name, identification
Mm.
purpose. Here can give my EC2.
Okay.
What is the use of this one now? For example, if you want to get the this EC2
Mm.
instance ID to print here now, by using this
Mm.
variable, you can get it output variable.
Okay.
So this is the
Mm.
identity in a code. So by using this one,
Mm.
whatever you want, you can display here. By create, for example, I want to once creating complete now, I want
Mm.
this EC2 instance ID. You
Okay.
can get
Okay.
by using this name.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm? I
Okay.
want to log in this instance. First,
Is.
I want IP
Mm.
address, public IP address for this one. So by using
Mm-hmm.
this one, we will get.
Okay.
So, okay, that
That
is the
is EC2
output.
instance, right? You are calling out that EC2
You can give any name.
Okay. Okay.
This is our name convention. Can give any name.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will see the validate.
Okay.
Install not required.
Okay.
Terraform init not required. Why?
Terraform init is not required.
Why? Because we are not
Because we are
we are
already.
not added any
Mm.
other provider. We added only. AWS provider already there.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I am running. If you see,
Okay, okay.
it will see already there.
Mm-hmm.
So it went success immediately.
Okay,
Now I will run the Terraform validate.
okay.
It will validate
Well,
entire our code,
code. Mm-hmm.
whatever we written these files.
Okay,
See success. See,
that's us. Okay.
I will
Mm-hmm.
show you error. So I
Mm-hmm.
remove this one. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Now
Okay.
I will
Mm,
run
suppose.
Terraform validate.
Mm-hmm.
See.
Okay, invalid multiple. Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
It
So
will
what
show
it is
in
saying?
which line? Mm-hmm.
Quoted string may not be split over
Split
the
over
multiple lines. To
multiple lines.
proceed with the multi-line string, either use a backslash or
Backslash.
escape to return, or else a new line character can use the double quotation.
Okay.
So it
Mm-hmm.
will show.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That is the validate.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I am running.
This okay. Yeah. If any errors are there, then automatically it will throw an error output.
Hmm. This one as well in the real time. They will add it in the pipeline itself, Jenkins pipeline itself.
Okay.
I will
Mm-hmm.
show you that one later. First, we will see to
Ah,
how we can work it in
how
local.
to?
So we can use them in the pipeline.
Okay.
Now I will run the Terraform plan.
Mm-hmm.
Plan means in the meaning itself we have what is the meaning of the plan? Tell me plan means.
We are just executing this code, right? So it we represent that as a plan, like.
So it will show
Mm.
what are the resources it will create whenever you run the
Mm.
Terraform apply. If you run
Mm-hmm.
the plan, it will show what are the resources it will create. Not create. It will not create.
Mm.
It will show as what are the resources it will create after running
Okay.
Terraform. So that's what if you run
Okay.
the Terraform
Plan.
plan. See, it will show what are the resources it will create.
Mm-hmm.
One resource it will create, zero to change, zero to destroy.
To destroy. One plan is added.
One plan is one resource it is added.
Okay.
This is the resource they will collect as resource.
So okay.
It will show like this. What are the it will show? See, by default we
Mm-hmm.
added what is AMI we added,
AMI.
but we are
Mm-hmm.
not this ARN will get by default. But if you want to can
Mm-hmm.
add the availability zone as well. If you want to can add
Okay.
the so this is much of the options we have. But someone we will get the
Mm.
by after creating instance, but someone who can add it.
Mm.
See IPv6
IP
count.
addresses.
Who can add it?
Mm-hmm.
Key name who can add
Key
it.
name.
Monitor who can add
Mm.
it. So we have so many options. What are the can add it? If you can't add it by default, it will take region we added.
Uh-huh. Yeah, got it.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
security group were not
Mm.
added. It will it will take the default one.
Default. Mm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Subnet ID also we can add, but we not added.
But we haven't
Mm.
added it. We took the default one. But in real time, they
Okay.
will add all the required things.
Required. Okay.
Now I will run the Terraform. Apply. It will
Mm.
create. Terraform plan means what is the plan? What are the
Uh,
resources it
mm.
will create? It will show in the real time must and should verify before running the apply.
Apply.
The
Okay.
someone is remove the code, it will show
Mm.
destroy.
Okay.
If
Okay.
the
Mm-hmm.
existing
Mm.
resources is someone deleted, it will show
Mm.
destroy existing resources. So
Okay.
that is the reason while working with the Terraform, must
Mm.
and should verify the Terraform plan, what it is
Plan.
showing.
Before apply, we have to check for the plan, what and
Exactly.
all it is executing.
It is showing because I added one resource, it is work. It is
Mm.
good because it is showing only one resource add. There is no change, there is
Mm.
no destroy.
There's no destroy. Mm-hmm.
Mm. Now I will run the apply. It will create the
Mm.
resource. See, I will show you there is no server
Mm.
in
Okay.
in AWS.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
There is no servers, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh? If you run the Terraform apply, it will create.
Yeah.
I am giving auto approve means it will not ask yes or no question.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
See now creating.
Okay.
See now created.
Okay, got it.
Now if you go to AWS, if you refresh,
Mm-hmm.
it will show. See.
Yeah, instance got created.
So this is the test server. This is the optional right tag. Even if you don't
Mm.
give it, it will show empty here. This
Okay.
one I told you right. Tags is the optional. It's not a single
Name.
point.
Yeah, yeah.
But in real time they will use
The
uh,
like whatever
uh,
specifically if they require, they will just mention that name.
see running. Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah. Understood.
Now same way we can try to create the S3 bucket.
Okay.
Do you know S3 bucket?
Concept wise, don't know what exactly why we'll create and what are the
No.
requirements of that.
What is the S3 bucket? Do you
Mhm.
know?
Mhm.
Hmm?
Bucket like we will create that for as a backup something.
Not only backup. That S3
Huh.
bucket you can store anything.
Okay.
You can store the files. You can store the videos. You can store the
Mm.
audios.
Okay.
Okay, you can run
But
the static
mm,
web application as well.
but concept of creating S3 bucket just to take kind of backup or
Last
is
backup
it
to store
mm,
objects
object? Okay.
to store objects.
Okay.
You can check it now.
Mm.
So AWS S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service is an object
Mm.
storage service that offers the industry to leading with the capability and data availability, security performance. It allows to store the
Mm.
storing and retrieve the amount of data from the anywhere from website.
Web. Okay.
An S3 bucket is a contains the storing of the object in Amazon S3. Each bucket can be stored in a unlimited number of objects. There is no
Objects.
limit.
Mm.
Which
Okay.
can be type of data such as a photos,
Photos,
videos,
videos,
documents or more.
document. Mm-hmm.
Bucket is created to specific availability region.
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
okay, this is the minimum cost.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, to upload data in AWS 3, you can must create the S3 bucket. You can
Okay.
create the bucket using the Amazon S3 console.
That's all. Okay.
Console as well. But how we are trying to create here by using Terraform, we are trying to create.
Okay.
So now we need a code.
I mean, we can directly create in AWS as well, but we are
Yes.
creating through script.
How we created previously issue to instance, same like we can create the
Script. S3 bucket
S3
with the
bucket as
script.
well.
Mhm.
Okay. You can go to official document only. You can don't go to any
Mm.
other one. You can go
Okay,
official
okay.
only.
HashiCorp. Mm-hmm.
Ah, Terraform registry.io.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the default one.
Step one. Okay.
This is the mandatory fields.
Okay, okay.
How can create the S3
S3 bucket. Okay.
S3.tf.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this bucket is must is the unique to world.
Okay, okay.
If
Means
you added same name, it will
each
try. It will
bucket
so
should be different one. It shouldn't be the same repeating name.
same like mobile number.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The mobile number is India, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
But it is the worldwide unique. If
Unique.
someone is
Mm-hmm.
used this one, you can't create.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. This is
Okay.
the unique
Class.
we will get the. If
Okay.
not now we will get the error.
CLASS, right?
Hmm.
CLA.
Okay. Now we will try to do the Terraform validate.
Hmm. Okay. That environment by default we are giving dev.
Environment we are giving
Hmm.
there. You can give any name, but this one as well. If you
Okay.
want, you can get by variable.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Uh, so this is the we give an example, right? You can give any name.
Okay.
For now, I will give.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
you can give any name. That is that.
Okay.
Now I will run the Terraform plan.
Okay.
Why? We need to see
See, yeah, what we are trying to execute
hmm,
before
applying.
apply.
Okay,
So only
one
one.
resource only. It will not
Hmm.
consider the previous one because that is created.
Hmm.
Now it is time to
Okay.
want to create
Hmm. Okay.
0 to just right. If you remove the
Hmm.
previous code here now, it will show
Hmm.
one just right.
Got it. Hmm.
Okay.
There is a
Now,
Terraform
hmm,
destroy command, right?
hmm.
Terraform destroy. If we give it, will do it.
Oh no no not just right. Even if you remove the code, if you run the Terraform apply as well, it will delete. Not destroy also it
Hmm.
will destroy. It will destroy code is there. But what I am telling now, if you remove the
Hmm.
code, if you run the Terraform apply also it will delete. If you remove
Okay.
the code,
Okay. After removing the code and if we give apply, automatically it will delete.
but if you give
Uh,
Terraform destroy, if the even code is there, it will destroy.
Destroy. Got it.
In the real time, they will not
Hmm.
use 99% Terraform
For
destroy. They will use
destroy.
Terraform apply only. But what are the resources they don't
Hmm.
want? They will remove the code.
Okay. Okay. Rather than giving direct
Running the
command
Terraform.
destroy.
If you run the Terraform destroy, it will delete all the resources whatever available here.
Got it. Only simply which and all they not required that plan they will. I
Mm,
mean that code they will remove
they
so
will
that it
remove.
will get
Exactly.
rather than
Mm.
completely destroying all the providers everything.
Now I will run the
Mm.
Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Okay. Now
Yeah.
completed.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can check it. Test 3. See,
Okay, one S3 bucket is got created.
okay.
Hmm.
And if you see
Mm-hmm.
what is the use of Terraform now,
Mm-hmm.
if you
Okay.
count,
Mm-hmm.
if you give three, it will create
Oh,
now remaining two resources, EC2 instances.
okay, okay.
Now previously it
Mm-hmm.
is created one, right?
One, okay.
And now
Mm-hmm.
it will create another two. I will show you.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now I will run the
That,
Terraform
mm-hmm.
validate first
First, okay. Mm-hmm.
because we need to check the syntax is correct or not.
Ah, got it. Yeah. If there is a syntax error, obviously it won't get
Hmm.
created, right?
No, yes, yes. While running
Mm-hmm.
apply, we will get
Mm-hmm.
the error. Before running apply,
Error.
why we want to have a command to validate it before running
Validate.
the apply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now good.
Mm-hmm.
Now I will run the Terraform plan. It will show
Plan.
two
Mm-hmm.
resources now
Mm-hmm.
because already one is there. I added
Okay.
three. It will create remaining two.
Remaining two.
It will show
Okay.
as a two resources added.
Okay.
That is the beauty. So Terraform will understand.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, already one resource is there. I want to create
Is
only two.
only
See
two. Mm-hmm. Okay.
how it will identify Terraform by using the state file.
States file. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Whatever creating the resources, it will store those details. Based on
Okay.
this file only, Terraform will understand. Already one file,
Mm-hmm.
one EC2 instance there. I want to create
Mm-hmm.
only two. But in the real time, they will
Mm-hmm.
not store this file in the local. This will
Mm-hmm. Okay.
create in the S3 bucket here
Okay.
only. So they will create a one S3 bucket. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
manually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they will store the
Mm-hmm.
state file into that S3 bucket. They will
Okay.
not maintain in the local. If the someone is deleted, na, it will
Okay.
gone.
Everything gone. Mm-hmm. Got it.
Because based
Mm-hmm.
on the state file only Terraform will understand and it will
Understand.
work.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It is kind of background, everything code, everything Terraform by default, everything it will be tracking, right, in the state
Yes,
file.
exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I will run the apply.
Yeah.
So if you want to create
Mm-hmm.
a 50 servers, how much time it will take to create a manually? If there is any
Manually.
is
Mm-hmm.
in creating manually, we will get this some
Yeah.
incorrect, right? That is the
Mm-hmm.
reason. So they will real time they will not create anything through manually. They will try to create
Mm-hmm.
through automation by using Terraform. If you
Okay.
specify the count is equals 50, it will create
Mm.
within 2 to 3 minutes into 50 EC2 instances.
Manually, if you have to create, it takes lots
Hmm.
of time. Like individual instance, you have
Hmm.
to create.
Hmm. See now if you go to EC2 instances,
There should be like three missions
ah.
running.
Hmm. See
Yeah, understood.
same tags we given. The
I
during
mean,
receiving
it
same
has
tag.
taken like default whatever it is there. If you specifically provide, then it will take
If you
that.
specifically provide na
Mm.
by adding the variable this
Yeah.
one I will show you. So
Mm-hmm.
this one I
Yes.
want to take some other
Mm-hmm.
different name. So what it will do na?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, chat GPT. So I have a count three in
Mm.
Terraform with these two servers. I want
Mm.
tag name with
Mm.
different how to use
Mm.
variable
Okay.
to get one by one name in list.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm asking now, I will
Yeah.
specify the names in the list.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
The
okay,
okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Got it.
server
Mm.
names. Okay, I will
Mm-hmm.
specify the list. Okay, this
Mm.
variable. Okay, see
Mm-hmm.
variables we have a section already, right?
Okay, okay. Mm.
So what I am trying, I am adding. Inside
List
list we have a string, right? This
string.
is a list,
Mm-hmm.
but inside list we have a strings. That is the reason list string
Okay.
type is the. You can give
Mm-hmm.
server names, any name.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Okay.
default one. How we can access? That's what they given in the code. See how they added. This is the you can get
Name.
the
Okay. Mm-hmm.
count index.
Okay.
That is
Variable they
uh,
are calling as a server name, and this is the counter.
where
Oh.
variables and count dot
Mm-hmm.
index.
Mm-hmm. Count understood. Index for what? That's just a code.
Hmm?
Count. Okay, it's taking the number of count. Index. What it
Index
is?
1 2 3 4
Okay, number. That is there
3.
in count also, right? Count.
No. Count
Hmm.
means all. Index means one by one. Here we have a three, right? So here also we
Mm-hmm.
mentioned three. So that means one. First time it will take count index zero, count index two, count index one, two. That's it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Count index zero means first value. Count index
Mm-hmm.
one means second value. Count
Okay.
index two means third value. Here,
Okay. Okay.
here. This
Mm-hmm.
is the
Mm-hmm.
count index zero, count index
It's
one,
one,
count index
two,
two.
two.
That's what
Mm-hmm.
it will took the Terraform.
Mm-hmm.
So this one asked me in the interview.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I given interview, right? I told you. So they
Yeah,
asked
yeah.
one of the interview.
Okay, how you will call out multiple numbers will count.
So I want to
Mm-hmm.
get the different names in EC2 instance. For example, consider I have a count is equal to 3. So how we can get
Mm-hmm.
the different names in the tags? That's what they asked.
Okay.
So that's what
Okay.
I
Okay.
told.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
told you can create the list. That's what here.
Okay.
See, we created a variables list, right? You can create a
Okay.
variable list and you can
Mm-hmm.
specify and you can call it like this. How can call it
Okay.
where dot name and count dot index.
Count. Mm-hmm. Got it.
Now can run the Terraform.
Mm-hmm.
What it will show? Can you please tell me plan? First we will see validate.
Now, now it will show like already three plans also it already uh, taken because
Uh,
already we are running the servers are running
Here what it
recently,
will show? Show me. Here it what it will show?
right? Here three added now resource
It will
three added.
show
Hmm.
no already added, right? It will show the
Ah,
changes now. We are not creating new
okay.
one. We are
Mm-hmm.
updating the name.
Name okay, but already three also resource already added now.
So it will show changes
Hmm.
now.
Okay, okay, okay.
We will
What we
see.
made changes, it will show nothing will get reflected in added because
Exactly.
already added.
So now I will run Terraform plan if you
A
see.
plan. Mm-hmm.
Not happen? See,
Okay.
0 to add,
List
0
add.
to change. What is the
Okay.
change? Change also it will show.
Okay. That
What is the
name we have
change?
changed. Okay. That server name we
Uh,
have changed as a
app 1, 2,
up
3.
three. Okay.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So if you check it in variables,
Mm-hmm.
app 1, 2, 3.
Two,
That's what they
three.
are telling. If you see, is it
Mm-hmm.
2? This is the 1.
Mm-hmm.
So 1,
Two, three.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3. If you run,
If okay, suppose if you mention their name properly, that also the default it is showing. That's it, right? Since we have given default, it is taking. We can give any name as well in the place of AP1,
you
2,
can
3.
give any name. Yes, you can give any
Uh-huh.
name. So I will try to show you if I
Mm-hmm.
haven't given hyphen hyphen auto approve na, what it will happen
Uh-huh.
if you see.
Yeah,
Observe.
yeah. I think it will ask for yes another time.
See, it is asking yes or
Mm-hmm.
no. Why? Yes
Yeah,
or no?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
If you give hyphen hyphen, so because in
Or
the pipeline we will not give,
mm-hmm.
right? It will not.
Mm-hmm.
That is the reason in the pipeline we will use hyphen hyphen auto approve only.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Now, in the name of that test server, we have to see all these changes what we made in
Mm,
EC2 instance.
mm. See.
Hmm. Got it.
Okay,
Yeah, understood.
got it right.
Yeah, yeah.
Now,
Mm.
now I want to delete this. So now I will delete.
Mm.
I will try to delete all the resources.
Success. Okay.
So now you can give Terraform desktop. It will delete all the things.
Okay.
Terraform.
Complete variables, Terraform code, everything it will be destroyed, right?
Not variable. Variable we will
Uh,
use here. On code it is available, but what I am telling in the
mm,
resources here it will delete all the things. Entire all these three
mm.
servers and S3 bucket.
Okay, okay. But
Terraform
here
destroy.
in this script, what and all it is there that it will be stored in
Local only.
Terraform
My
state.
laptop only.
Ha, ha. But
Okay.
only thing will get destroyed in the EC2
Hmm.
instances.
Destroy. So it is asking to delete. You want to delete it.
Yeah.
See, zero to add, zero to change, four to destroy.
Destroy. In the
Hmm.
sense that one is S3 bucket and three
Each
EC
instances.
instances. Okay.
So how it will calculate now? Whatever
Hmm.
is given resource that will consider as a one. If you give resource, this will
Hmm.
consider as a one. If you add multiple
Okay.
resources here in the same file
Hmm.
also, it will consider as resource one, two, three only.
What the three?
Ah,
Okay.
you can create
Even
multiple.
S3 bucket we have given as a resource only, right? So it is
S3
fine.
bucket we given resource one and EC2 instance also we given resource one, but count is equal to three. That's what it is showing three and one four.
Okay, okay. If we give Terraform destroy slash slash auto approve, it's
It
directly
will
it will
not
be
ask
done.
yes or no.
Okay, now 4 destroyed and destroy completed.
Now you can check it, you can refresh, it will gone.
Yeah, not it will be
See, terminated.
terminated.
Now if
But
you go to
everything
S3,
only it will be available in our local
code is available in our
mm,
local.
your local laptop.
But if you want, you can delete the code. You can delete the code. You can keep it empty files. That will also delete.
Okay.
EC2 instance you can remove. Variables not
Mm,
required to remove that one. If you remove the resources here as well, if you remove
everything.
resources, it will everything. It will delete the
Okay.
resource.
Even what and all is stored in Terraform state also will it be gone?
See, empty now.
Okay.
That is the reason Terraform will. So Terraform will understand there is no resources now based on
Okay.
this only. Now it is
Mm-hmm.
your version.
Only. Okay.
Only there is
Mm.
no any details. If we create any
Mm.
resources, those resources details
So,
available in detail here.
okay. Since we deleted all that four resource,
It
it
will
got
update Terraform state file as well.
state file also.
In the real time, they will maintain this into the S3 bucket.
S3 bucket. So
But
that they will
we
have
will
a kind
see.
of copy and
Mm,
moreover everything we can
mm,
extract from the state file.
Now we will see. We will also try to
Mhm.
create that place only. Okay.
Okay,
S3
okay.
bucket. We will create one S3 bucket.
Mhm. Not from the Terraform script, directly on that
First we
EC2.
need to create manually, right? One and
Mm.
we can create the through that Terraform as well, no issue. After creating, we can use that one. First
Okay.
we need to create, and after that we can use as a storing of the state file here.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm-hmm.
What I am telling, storing of the
Ah,
state file.
okay.
Why we want to store in remote? Means, for example, consider you are working, your team member working. So, if you are working, means your state file is available in your local. If your team member
Mm.
working, means your team member available in the in your
Remote.
team member local. But so that will cause an issue. So you want to work with the collaboratively. So that is the reason we will
Mm-hmm.
store as a shared state file in a remote repository, in a
Repository.
remote call
Okay.
S3 bucket, and we can run the multiple peoples. For example,
Mm-hmm.
you created one server, your
Okay.
friend trying to create another server. If your friend trying to Terraform apply, your resource will try to show as a delay, so they will connect with you and they will add your changes as well, then only it will create, it will not delete your changes.
Mm.
Understood?
Okay.
Each feature but not
Mm-hmm.
there your changes,
Okay. Okay.
means it will so destroy your changes.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
he will connect with you and he will add your changes as well in future once he will run the Terraform apply. That
Okay.
time it will create only his resources, it will not delete your resources.
Okay. Mm-hmm. The simple, like in our local machine, whatever we create, that won't be able to access by any of the colleagues. So everything
Hmm.
remotely we will be working through creating with the
Hmm.
EC2 only. Like how we have Git repositories, everything to access here with the form of S3 bucket will create, and
Huh?
on that we will in repositories like GitHub repository we will push pull code, so there will be kind of repositories, so from there everyone can access. But when it comes to here we will create in the form of S3 bucket, right?
S3 bucket Terraform will
Hmm.
consume the state file, remote file.
Remote file.
Hmm.
So S3 bucket is like same concept of GitHub repositories only, right?
No, no,
In
no, no.
Terraform.
No,
Huh.
no, 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 no. Don't consider like that.
Okay.
This is the different. That is the create. That is the create maintaining the repositories. This is a storing
Hmm.
the anything. But what is the benefit of
Hmm.
using remote for the S3 bucket to
Hmm.
store state files to collaborate with the team?
Okay.
So we need to enable the versioning as
Hmm.
well. What is the version means?
Hmm.
Every changes it will create a one version number
Okay.
if you enable.
Okay.
If you add the two times na, it will create
Hmm.
version 1 and version 2. If you go to version 1, it will be
Hmm.
previous state.
Okay.
So now you can search the Google S3 state file backend. This one.
Okay.
Now you can create a backend. You can give name backend. They will call it as a backend.
Mhm.
You can give any name, it will work.
Okay.
Okay. This is the
This
our
is like
bucket
we are
name.
creating S3 bucket through
No,
script
not
only.
creating. We
Hmm.
are storing our state file in the S3 bucket. Not creating
Hmm.
S3 bucket. Already we have S3
Okay. Okay.
bucket.
Okay. That you deleted, right? Okay. You have created now
Just
manually.
now I created manual, right?
Okay.
Here bucket name.
Hmm. So now all this states files will be stored in this S3 bucket.
This state file will store into S3
Hmm.
bucket.
Hmm.
Now, where you want to store this state file? Okay, you can
Hmm.
specify the path as well.
Pathway. Okay.
First, I
That
will
is the
specify
default path, whatever it is then.
a path mean inside S3 bucket. It will create folder and file.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I will use the
Hmm.
class
Hmm.
state. file.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But where it will go now? Class state file in the sense in your local repository you are giving that path.
Not local repository. This is the
Hmm.
local laptop, right?
Okay, that's what class. Like you have you created that folder?
No, it will create automatically Terraform. That's what I'm telling.
Okay, okay.
Inside
Mm-hmm.
S3 bucket, it will
Mm.
create a class. Inside
Under
class folder, it
class.
will create
Hmm.
this file. This file only, whatever there is content, it will store to this file.
Okay, okay.
In
Got it.
this file.
So you are just providing that path through the script. That's it. Where
Exactly.
we have to create.
This is the file of the our state file now.
Okay, okay.
Now if I run, now I will remove the count as a one only. Okay. Why we don't
Okay.
want to create unnecessary
Three.
one.
Count. Okay. Or else it will create three types, right?
Hmm.
Mm.
Now region we need to change, right? Region which one?
Mumbai.
Oh,
AP South one.
hmm. That's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Validate.
Okay. I think the spelling. Here up arrow won't work for this one. Like,
Oh, work. It will work. Apparently.
okay, okay.
Okay. Now I will run the
Mm.
Terraform apply directly.
Okay.
I am not running now. Plan.
Okay. Since we know what we are
Hmm.
executing, we are directly going with the apply.
It's going incorrect.
Mm, Backend you said.
Initiate is required.
Okay, we
Terraform
have
is
not
required.
in it. We have not given
Why means we added the backend.
backend. Okay. I think Terraform's FORM.
And that's it only.
Okay, no, it was showing N, right?
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Initializing backend. See,
Backend. Okay.
once initialize complete, I think it will create a file. I think.
Here.
I'm
Okay.
thinking. Now it will create empty file. I'm thinking. One Terraform init complete.
Okay. Okay.
But once we run the apply, it will show the
Uh,
details.
yes, proper bucket where it
Not
has
bucket,
been.
details
Mm.
of
Okay.
the
Okay.
resources.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Now we will see. We will
Mm.
refresh.
Mm-hmm.
Not there. I think. Okay. Not there. We will run apply.
Okay. It just initialized here. That's it, right?
It
Nothing.
will install. It will download the
Mm.
plugins related to
Plugins.
backend.
Backend. Okay.
See now it is there empty, right? It will create.
Mm-hmm.
It will show the details. All. I think
Okay.
we configure the backend. I think it will not store here. I am thinking it will create. It will
Okay.
store all the details in the S3 bucket only now. Now it will not update
Directly.
this one. Now no can delete it this one as well. No issue now. We will
Okay.
see.
Okay. There is
So
already one back. Yeah.
not backup. This will not consider now.
Okay. Okay.
See
Newly it has
resources
created, right?
created too, but if you see
Hmm.
it is not showing,
I think
right?
everything is there in the fstate dot backup. Those details.
Exactly. So now we can delete this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now if you go
Now,
to here now, here it will show. Refresh.
mhm.
See
One S3 bucket class. Okay. Inside
inside
that
class.
class, there is a Terraform state
Ah.
class.
So if you open this one now,
Mm-hmm.
see all
Oh,
the
yeah.
details. But
Mm-hmm.
in our local file, it is showing only this thing.
These details.
Uh, See all the details. But in the real time, they don't want to see now. They will encrypt this one.
Okay, the code, this
Yeah.
scripted code will be encrypted.
This one. These are something, some sensitive information is available, right? Enter details is
Passwords and
also.
username, all details also can be there.
Else. So that's what they will encrypt this one S3 bucket.
Code. Mm-hmm.
We have an encrypt option as well S3 bucket. They will encrypt.
Okay, okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now
Okay,
if I run
that's
the Terraform test right now, it will not show this much. I think it will show only this one. If I run again.
again. Okay, okay.
See, if you
Mm-hmm.
see, it will show all the resource names as well. Okay, type EC2
Mm-hmm.
instance name, my EC2. Okay, how many we
Okay,
have. Okay, everything it will show in detail.
okay. Mm-hmm. What
Okay,
and all we have worked so
created.
far, everything it will
Hmm.
be
For
shown
now,
in
we
this one.
created one S3 bucket, one
I think
EC2 instance.
one EC2 instance.
This is the S3
Previously it
bucket.
was three. Now only
Ah,
just one we have created.
ah.
Count we changed to one, right? So
Yes,
only one
exactly.
instance only created.
Hmm.
That
Okay.
how we can encrypt that one? That will be next later part. That
No,
code.
can do it. This one only here only.
Okay.
Here only we have encryption option. See version. I told you right.
Mm-hmm.
Version it will create every time one version. If you run the
Okay,
second
okay.
time,
Mm-hmm.
it will
Another version it will create.
uh,
Because that it will be like.
every change it will create a version.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.